Good day, everyone. I am Rick Lawrence Yastro, and I am here to present my presentation entitled Efficiency of Centella asiatica or Gotocola leaf meal as feed additive in broiler chicken diet. Abstract: the use of conventional supplements as feed additives has been criticized for their potential negative impact on the food chain. Hence, the need for viable organic alternatives. Centella asiatica has been found to contain essential phytochemicals. This study was therefore carried out to evaluate the utilization of dried Centella asiatica leaf meal as a phytogenic feed additive in broiler chicken diet. Introduction: feed is a major component affecting net return from the poultry business because 80% of the total expenditure is on feed purchase. To ensure more net return and to minimize high expenditure on feed, which is the main challenge, many research strategies have been practiced, such as introducing feed supplements and feed additives. Many types of feed additives are being used in broiler rations to improve its performance. Spices are very common additives in broiler diets. However, feed additives are added to the diets of broiler to improve its production performance by increasing growth rate, feed conversion efficiency, and greater livability in poultry birds. The nutritional value of Centella asiatica is attributed to its richness in carotid, carotenoids and vitamin C and B complex. The herb is commonly used for children in Sri Lanka in order to combat nutritional deficiency. Centella asiatica is also a traditional green leafy vegetable and locally consumed it as Gotocola sambola. It is used as a health tonic and processed into cordial drinks, and it is available at some market as a ready-made juice. It is believed that Centella asiatica herbal tea is a source of antioxidants with many beneficial effects. The objective of this to evaluate at the efficiency of dried calm as phytogenic feed additives for broiler chicken. Materials and methods. Experimental site. The research was carried out at the Teaching and Research Farm, Department of Agriculture and Industrial Technology, Babcock University, Elysian Rimo, Ogun State, Nigeria. Source and preparation of experimental plant. Centella asiatica plant was harvested from Babcock University farm. The plant was washed, chopped, and air-dried. The dried materials was pulverized into fine powder in a blender and mixed with the feed in varying proportion for experimental study. Experimental design and management. A total of 180-day-old arbor acre birds were randomly allocated to 6 dietary treatment groups with 30 birds at 3 replicates of 10 chicks per replicate. Experimental diet. Basal diet or control, basal diet plus antibiotics, basal diet plus 3% calm, basal diet plus 4% calm, basal diet plus 5% calm, and basal diet plus 6% calm. Data collection. Data were collected on growth performance by the feed intake, changes in body weight, feed conversion ratio, and survivability. Carcass characteristics like breast, thigh, drumsticks, intestine, gizzard, heart, and liver. Average feed intake per animal equals to feed offered by grams minus feed leftover grams, total number of animal in the group. Weight gain, final weight minus initial weight, average weight gain per animal equals final weight minus initial weight, total number of animal in the group. Feed conversion ratio. This was obtained by dividing the quantity of total feed consumed by the weight gain. FCR equals total feed consumed weight gain. Results and discussion. The effect of Centella asiatica leaf meal on growth performance of broiler chickens at starter and finisher phase is shown in tables 3 and 4. Significant difference was observed in weight gain, feed intake, survivability, and feed conversion ratio. Birds with 4% calm had the highest weight gain 1,683.30 grams, and feed intake 3,295.30 grams, while the control had the lowest weight gain 1,466.70 grams, and feed intake 3,107.80 grams. Carcass parameters showed significant variations across the treatments. The feeder weight, eviscerated weight, and dressed weight was highest in treatment 4. Lowest value was obtained in the control diet. Highest percent weights of thigh and breast muscles were recorded in experimental group. Dietary levels of calm significantly affect gizzard highest weight. 2.60% was obtained in T3, treatment 3, and lowest value 1.70% in treatment 4. Conclusion. The study has shown that Centella asiatica leaf meal improve feed utilization, carcass quality, growth performance of broiler chickens at 4% inclusion level without any detrimental effect on the birds. And that's all of my presentation. Thank you.